Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 30th of July. Just after 5:30, another early start, heading up the Waikato today, last minute trip up there. Got to take a client through to Cambridge today for another doctor's appointment. Track down the car, load everything up.
Through the wind, I work through the storm, hammer and nail. I worked on the crowd, but the rain never stopped.
Well, made it to Pew Pew. Weather has taken a turn for the worse. It is raining up here. Pretty good weather on the way up, but not now. We are a fraction early, 10 minutes, so we'll head in and see how our client's doing. Hopefully they're ready. In the meantime, we'll check in and see how Leonie's getting on getting the kids off to school.
Buster's hand was there. I did it first. I saw it through the trees back there. Through the trees.
Anyway, have a fun day at school. Shut the door, see you later.
I think we're organised. Client is pretty much ready. Just getting the last few things sorted now and we're out of here.
Comes up. You've had enough, and now you wanna go home.
32, 40 mil. I need the 40 mil version of that. That's 32, I think. Yeah, that's one of them. Grab that. Hold on, I need 5 of them though. Yep. That's it. Oh, whopping $10 worth. Such a massive big building.
Pardon?
Such a massive big building.
It's just too tough, and you don't wanna face it alone. Your heart keeps kicking like a teenage drum, like you spent all day in the rays of the sun. The clouds start coming, you can feel the change.
Well, we're in Cambridge. It is still raining. Terrible weather. I won't be getting out of the car much today. A lot of driving again today. Pretty much the same trip as last week. I think Leonie's in the truck doing something. Hopefully the weather down there is better than here because it is terrible. Other than that, not much to report.
Got my painting clothes on today. I really want to get that shelving painted and finished so it's ready to go in for when Ben can tackle that job again. It is not going well. Oh, how's everything looking in here? Did that window leak again after we shifted it? No, Must be just on the right angle. Ben has worked out where the water is possibly getting in, so we'll have another go at siliconing that and fixing it. Right. I'm gonna bog that up. Okay. My dilemma. This is gonna be the front of the cupboard where the door goes. So when you open the door, you see that, and there's that big ugly notch in the wood. So I'm going to plaster that in the joins and then sand it and paint it. Then I really want to use the undercoat out of my tray on this first before I put the top coat in the tray for that. Mind you, I could, however, sand in here while I'm waiting for the plaster to dry. Man, that's going to take ages to dry. Right, leave you to dry. What have we got happening in here, Benjamin? Come up here. Oh, it's getting hot in here. I got all the holes, Ben. All of them. Beauty. Right, time to plaster. Now, last ones. Right, that's all I'm plastering today, I think. You sick of that job? How is my plaster drying over here? Still a bit mushy. I might take this in and put it by the fire to dry a bit faster, and a good excuse to have a cup of coffee.
Rainy day, rainy day, rainy day, rainy day. You've had your fun, but now you got to lay low. Don't try and run, or you're gonna end up on your own. It makes me laugh so much I wanna cry.
So we're just in Te Awamutu now. She's just getting a few groceries at Pack and Save again. Making way better time than last week. It's only 1 o'clock, I think, is it? Yeah, 1 o'clock. So going to be home a lot earlier than last time, which is great.
It's dry! That was real quick in front of the fire. Yes! Get this job done! Let's see. I'm going to risk electric sanding it. Right. Easy does it. Oh. Didn't turn it on. I should have done those ones. I cannot win. Hopefully they're not too noticeable because that's the side the door's going to hinge on. So no, she's all good. She's all good. I can paint this now. Should be right. Right. Now I can start top coating the other bit. And that. That looks good. That looks good. Right. Can I carefully turn this around? This way. Oops. That looks good. I'm only going to do one coat because we're going to put the cupboard in and we're likely going to scratch it, so then we can do the second coat when it's in there somehow. Right, I'm going to go and edit this video and do some housework for the rest of the day. That's me. I'm done. I'm out.
Can't get enough. It feels too good, I wanna die. Your heart keeps kicking like a teenage drum.
Right, just leaving Pew Pew now. Transfers all went really well. It is 3 o'clock, so making pretty good time. Rye's just shot in the dairy to get a drink, so we should be out of here soon. Back in daylight just about, hopefully.
Like you spent all day in the rays of the sun. The clouds start coming, you can feel the change. Better save that loving for a rainy day. Rainy day, 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 rainy day.
Making pretty good time. Just dropped off Ashton at Boys High in New Plymouth on the way home for our friend. He was back to school today, so that worked out good. Now it is 5 o'clock and we're heading home. Perfect, let's get out of here. And the rain stopped. Miserable trip back down for weather.
Your heart keeps kicking like a teenage drum. Like you spent all day in the rays of the sun. The clouds start coming, you can feel the change. Better save that loving for a rainy day.
Pretty much 12 hours round trip.
Yeah.